What's up guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today I'm going to give you my feedback about the W34 Smartwatch after 3 months of use. Let's go! Alright guys, so again, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the W34 smartwatch that I purchased 3 months ago. And as we remember, this smartwatch cost around $18, so that's around 800 pesos here. Okay, so I actually used this one, and unfortunately I dropped it. So ta-da! Okay, as you can see here, so it is actually made of glass, and unfortunately I dropped it, and it has some scratches here, or not scratch, but it's really broken. And I tried to turn it on and it is still working, guys. Unfortunately, the touch screen is not that responsive anymore. So let's just click here, and I actually drop it for around maybe like only 1 meter, and it just boom, it really broke, guys, as you can see here. Yeah, but in my case, I was really surprised because unlike the other smartwatches, this one is really made of glass. So as you can see here, there are some tiny particles in there. Yes, and I'm still glad that it really turned on, so even though it's broken. And okay, so the strap still looks nice after 3 months, and it really feels really like an Iwatch, guys. So I will try to get the smartwatch that I have, the Iwatch. Alright guys, so this is really an Iwatch, and but unfortunately it is dead. Yes, so as you can see here, this is the Iwatch, and the other one, this is the W34 smartwatch. So as you can see, it really looks almost the same, guys. Yes. Okay, now what I'm gonna say about this product is, should you buy it or not? Well, definitely I can recommend you this product, because even though that it really broke, it is really good for the budget. Yes, considering the price, which is around only $18, so it is really nice, and it feels really like an Iwatch, guys. Yeah, you just have to make sure that you need to take good care of it. Alright, so and the charger is still working pretty well. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions about this smartwatch, just comment down below. And if you want to be updated about the latest gadgets and smartwatches, just click the subscribe button. Once again, this has been Josh, and I'll see you soon.